Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can add local files on your Spotify to add the music which is on your playlist on your PC to be on Spotify as well. And you can also listen to song which is not available in Spotify by doing this, right? But the song needs to be on your PC, alright? So just keep that in mind. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's move on. First step, you need to open Spotify and click on your profile picture or your username at the top of your screen and go on versus setting. And this is only gonna work on Spotify PC and Mac. This setting is not available for mobile, alright? Scroll all the way down and make sure where it says local files is turned on. Once it's turned on, what you want to do is go back to your desktop and create yourself a folder. So I'm gonna name this folder You, alright? Once I name this folder, I'm gonna put the music which I want to be on Spotify. So I want this music to be on Spotify. So once I add this over here inside this folder, what I can do is go on Spotify, click on add a source, and choose the folder which I just created. So my folder is on desktop. So I'm gonna go on desktop over here and choose You and click on OK. Once I choose my folder, it's done. Now as you guys can see, music library, C user, Timla, desktop You. Now to listen to the song in Spotify, I can go on versus your library and go on versus local files. And as you guys can see, the sound effect which I just added over here inside this folder, transition sound effect, is gonna be shown over here, and I can listen to it through Spotify. So yeah, that's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.